Hello and welcome to the next video of ProSteel Connect Edition. I am Mihir Patil from Bentley Systems, and in this video we are going to learn about a ProSteel tool called collision detection. So let's see how this tool works. While modeling, there is a possibility of modeling errors. These errors could result in clashes between connecting elements. Therefore, after completion of model work, it becomes necessary to check if there are clashes and collisions between objects and then resolve them to build a correct and error-free model. These clashes and collisions can be easily detected with the help of ProSteel Collision Detection tool. After completing the modeling work, you are set to detect the colliding members in the model. To initiate collision check, switch to Steel Workflow, navigate to the Utilities tab and click on Collision Detection. The Collision Detection dialog box will open. Under the Values tab, you can set the values for minimum volume to which collision gets sized. You can also set display scaling to zoom to the section containing colliding paths. In the Options tab, you can control or preset which elements need to be checked against other members. You also have the option to include or exclude the mounting space. After setting all the parameters, click on the Start Collision Check button to initiate the check and select the model or required elements you want to include in this process. The collision check process will begin. After completion, the colliding junction will get highlighted. To see the highlighted sections, switch the display style to wireframe or transparent. You can use these arrow buttons to navigate through successive and preceding collisions. Alternatively, you can also remove the highlighting from these parts by clicking on this button. In this way, we can detect collisions between the objects in a model. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please type them in the comment section below or contact the Bentley Technical Support. See you in the next video in this series. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can be alerted to new video in the series.